Welcome back to my channel. Way to March Navy guys once again. Hopefully you guys are doing well. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please go and subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, press all to get notification for all my upcoming videos. So in this video topic I would like to discuss regarding the duties and the schedule of a GP rating candidate, or you can say crew of a ship. Okay, so first thing I would like to start with the video for which candidate it is applicable. The guys who are pursuing their course currently in a GP rating college, or the guys who want to join as a GP rating, they can also watch this video. And the guys who are going to join the ship, they have completed their courses, they are also eligible to watch this video. Actually this video is all are eligible. I mean to say this video will be helpful for you guys. Okay, so first thing, after completion of your GP rating course, 6 months course, you have two options. First option, you can join in the engine side as a trainee wiper, or you can join as a deck side as a trainee OS. Okay, so as per my recommendation, if you have interest in the mechanical side and if you want to play with the mechanical mechanical tools or the machineries, then it is perfectly fine, then you can join as a trainee wiper. And if you don't have any interest in the machineries, then better shift to the deck side. Okay, especially if you cannot tolerate the heat, then you shouldn't go for the engine side. That is very basic idea. Let's start with the deck side. Okay, so first, suppose you have completed your course and you have joined as a training OS. Firstly, you don't know anything about ship. Yeah, you know how to tie a knot, that thing you know, that thing you have learned in a college, but the things which you have learned in a college you will find in the ship, that is unnecessary, that is not required at all. Whatever rank, in a junior rank, if you go to the ship, you will find that the things you have learned in a college, most of the thing is not useful. Okay, especially I am talking about the practical part is concerned. So first thing, you will be taught definitely by the bosun, and you will be work under his supervision. After 1, 2, 3 months you will have the experience, then maybe bosun will assign, if you performing well, bosun will assign some job to you individually. Okay, so after completion of your 9 months you will promoted. But what will be schedule on that 9 months? First schedule will be that 6 to 7, that will be a cleaning schedule. Whatever cleaning area, that must be assigned by the chief officer. Then for 8 o'clock you have to come for the pre-job meeting or toolbox meeting, whatever you can say. Then chief officer will assign you the job, and obviously under bosun supervision. 8 to 5 you have to do that deck work. Yeah, in between there will be tea break, breakfast, not breakfast, basically lunch, that thing will be there. So 8 to 5 there will be a job. And port work, or port, in the port you have to do 6 on 6 off in the forward station. Obviously the OS, you will be not going alone. For learning purpose you will be sent by the chief officer, maybe sometimes in the aft also with the ABs for the learning. Obviously that is a learning period. So that is the basic schedule for a training OS. Now if we move to the training wiper, then the training wiper schedule is almost same, 6 to 7 cleaning schedule in the engine room. Apart from that, from 8 to 5 there will be job on the engine room, and in the port also 6 on 6 off with the experienced oiler or wiper, whatever it is. As a training wiper, that will be your duty, and first 3-4 months you will work under a oiler supervision. Okay, then after getting promotion as a OS, what you have to do, you have to get your watch keeping COP, and you'll get your promotion after 9 months or 18 months. You'll get promoted as a OS. As a OS also, duties will be exactly same, there is no difference. 6 to 7 cleaning, 8 to 5 deck, and obviously in the port there is really the 6 on 6 off. But when you feel that you have done 3 contacts or 2 contacts as an OS, you must go to the bridge in the evening time with the permission of the chief officer. You must steer the ship and you must learn how to steer the ship. Otherwise you will not become an AB, or you will not get promotion as an AB. And if you are not getting promotion as an AB, there will be no meaning to sail with the OS. Okay, so you have to learn how to steer the ship, that is the thing. Then after we getting watch keeping and all, you will promote it as an AB. Now there is a difference in AB's duty. Cleaning schedule will be there, deck work will be there, but not like that, because deck work will be 4 hours and steering will be 4 hours, that is for sure, because ABs are mainly, they are calling the able bodied seamen, they are mainly assigned for the steering purpose at ship. So there will be 4 hours deck work, 4 hours steering during that. And port also, steering will be there during the pilotage, and when the ship will be at berth, then there will be 4 on 8 of watch in the gangway. If 3 ABs are there at ship, if 2 ABs, then there will be 6 on 6 of, but mostly in the ship there are 3 ABs, so you will get that 4 on 8 of while ship at berth. And after 2 or 3 contacts as an AB, you will promote it as a bosun. Okay, so as a bosun the duty is almost same, 6 to 7 your cleaning will be there. Some ships bosun do not do cleaning, depends on the chief officer. And 8 to 5 your deck work you will make them do, okay, your crew. And at port there will be no designated job for the bosun. Chief officer will assign some job in the port, obviously critical jobs, so that will be done under bosun when he will become the bosun. Now I'll move to the engine side and we'll finish the video over here. After becoming wiper, you will become the oiler. After 2 or 3 contacts, job designation will be promotion will be there, but the jobs almost same, the machineries, maintenance and all that will be there, duty hours remaining same. And after becoming the oiler, after 2 or 3 sails, you will become the number 1 oiler. Means bosun and number 1 oiler at the same rank, one in the deck on the engine side, and salary almost 1,20,000, 30,000, that will be the Indian rupees I'm telling. If you convert into dollar, suppose it will be $1,700 or $1,800. So that is the thing, schedule, salary, and your designation, job profile, all the things I have I think discussed. So video is already getting long, so I guess I've understood this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, press all to get notification for all my upcoming videos. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Signing off for the day.